Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Expensify to QuickBooks for audit-proof receipts, full guide step-by-step clearly. To connect Expensify to QuickBooks for audit-proof receipts, start by logging into your Expensify account. Navigate to the Settings section from the main dashboard. Locate the Connections tab within the Settings menu. Click on Link Expensify to QuickBooks. Choose whether you want to connect. For QuickBooks Online, authenticate your account by logging in when prompted. Allow Expensify to access your QuickBooks data by granting the necessary permissions. For QuickBooks Desktop, download the Expensify Sync for QuickBooks application. Follow the setup wizard to configure the connection with your QuickBooks Desktop. Select the appropriate company file you want to connect. Adjust settings for categories and accounts to match your expense reporting needs. Save your settings to finalize the connection between Expensify and QuickBooks. Now, navigate to the Expenses tab in Expensify to start managing receipts. Upload your receipts by clicking the Upload Receipts button. You can either take a photo or upload files directly from your device. Once uploaded, Expensify will automatically scan and categorize your receipts. Review the categorized expenses for any adjustments or corrections. When ready, click on Create Report to compile your expenses. Customize the report format and include any additional notes or information. After finalizing the report, select Export to QuickBooks. Choose the correct date and expense account for each entry. Click on Export to send the data directly to QuickBooks. Verify the entries in your QuickBooks account to ensure everything is correct. This integration allows for seamless tracking of expenses and ensures your receipts are audit-proof. Stay consistent with uploading and reporting your expenses regularly for best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.